In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest for free as a keyword planner, a handy tool created by Patel. This video is great for anyone looking to optimize their search engine strategies without breaking the bank. By the end of it, you'll be equipped with the skills to generate relevant keywords that can boost your content's visibility online. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Ubersuggest's website. Simply head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, you're greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to dive right into your keyword research. This site is designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their tech savviness, can use it effectively. Now let's move on to our keyword entry. Think of a word or phrase that pertains to your content, something like fitness tips, if you're in the health and wellness space. Type this word into the search bar and hit the search button. This is where the magic begins, as Ubersuggest will pull up valuable data on your chosen keyword, providing you with insights that are crucial for crafting content that connects with your audience. As your results populate, pay close attention to two main points: search volume and SEO difficulty. Search volume shows you how many people are actively searching for your keyword, giving you an idea of its popularity. Meanwhile, SEO difficulty measures how challenging it would be to rank for that keyword in search results. Ideally, you'll want to target keywords that strike a balance, those with good search volume but lower SEO difficulty, as these are the ones that offer the best opportunity for visibility without intense competition. Ubersuggest goes a step further by offering additional keyword ideas. By clicking on keyword ideas, you can explore related words, questions frequently asked, and even long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are wonderful assets because they are typically less competitive, yet more specific, drawing in a targeted audience to your platform. This feature broadens your perspective, helping you see the full picture of keyword opportunities linked to your main term. When you find keywords that suit your needs, it's important to save them for future reference. You can jot them down or export the list directly from Ubersuggest, which is a fantastic feature for those managing large projects with many moving parts. An organized list of keywords allows you to plan your content strategy more precisely, ensuring that each piece you produce is aligned with your overall SEO goals. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Ubersuggest as a free keyword planner. By harnessing the insights and capabilities of this tool, you can elevate your content strategy and drive more traffic to your site, ultimately leading to better engagement and growth. Stay tuned for more simple, efficient, and cost-effective ways to enhance your online presence.